Q. Who was the very first climate change activist and who was the very first climate change denier? I first heard the claims about the potential of human behavior, attitude, greed and such, causing global catastrophic climate change when I was just a toddler. I heard that, because of human behavior, the Earth could suffer heavy and prolonged rainfalls, increased flooding in areas, and sea level rise. I heard low-elevation islands, and low-lying coastlines could get flooded, and the people and wildlife and livestock would have to get evacuated. But I could not bring myself to believe such claims. Not even as a toddler. It is obviously a fictional story. We all know that there is no way that many animals can fit in a boat. Especially not when you consider the need for food and such. And personnel to handle all the food preparation and feeding and cleaning. There are way too many animals, it just cannot be true. 53 to 54 years later, I am still unimpressed and unconvinced by any such related claims. I look to physics. I ask, what holds the atmosphere to the planet Earth? Physics says, we don't really have a clue. Our two best guesses at how things work disagree with each other mathematically by 60 orders of magnitude. After the development of quantum field theory in the 1940s, the first to address contributions of quantum fluctuations to the cosmological constant was Zeldovich, 1967, 1968. In quantum mechanics, the vacuum itself should experience quantum fluctuations. In general relativity, those quantum fluctuations constitute energy that would add to the cosmological constant. However, this calculated vacuum energy density is many orders of magnitude bigger than the observed cosmological constant. Original estimates of the degree of mismatch were as high as 120 orders of magnitude. However, modern research suggests that, when Lorentz invariance is taken into account, the degree of mismatch is closer to 60 orders of magnitude. Quote source: Cosmological Constant Problem, Wikipedia. There are no such thing as climate deniers. Science is not a religion. There are climate change believers. And there are those that don't believe that climate science is in the least bit competent or valid.